Solis is helping lead the way toward a more energy-independent future by harnessing light from the sun, the most powerful source of energy available on Earth. By bringing together resources from around the world, Vis Solis designs, builds, and operates the most advanced power plants today, directly converting sunlight to electricity and contributing to the future of green energy technology.
Solar energy is really growing worldwide. It creates a lot of new jobs. It meets the energy demands for renewable, sustainable technologies and energy.
Vis Solis brings all the pieces together to make solar electricity real. We bring the financing, the sites, the technology, and all of the expertise necessary to make these plants work.
Vis Solis utilizes groundbreaking new technologies to make solar power plants smarter, more efficient, and incredibly affordable. Both ground and rooftop-based installations are designed to make the most of each and every day of rich sunlight.
Vis Solis is bringing together all of the components necessary to build and operate the next generation of solar electric power plants and rolling out a portfolio of these power plants across our region, across the U.S. and around the globe.
Vis Solis power plants use next-generation technologies to deliver more energy than ever before directly to the electric power grid. Solar energy can be generated much closer to the consumer than many other conventional electric generation technologies and is the cleanest, most abundant, and overall lowest cost energy available. Vis Solis has built strong partnerships with solar energy leaders around the world, including the German Energy Agency and the U.S. Department of Energy, to accelerate the growth of solar energy adoption.
dena is the German Energy Agency who works on behalf of the German Ministry of Economics and Technology to co-fund projects, not only for the installation piece, but also there's a great effort in doing knowledge transfer and marketing PR value for the company.
By combining expertise from America, Germany, and other nations, Vis Solis brings additional opportunities for local energy and economic development, jobs, workforce training, education, and energy research. With support from dena, the German Energy Agency, the Oak Ridge Solar Park, installed at the Heritage Center in Oak Ridge, Tennessee, has become a prime example of the future of solar energy technology. Through the cooperation of these agencies and the Oak Ridge National Laboratory and other partners, Vis Solis is developing one of the most advanced solar power plants to date. The system uses only top-tier, high-quality materials built by market leaders, including Deutsche Energie, SMA, Q-Cells, and Medio Control. By utilizing Dagger maximum light detection technology, the Oak Ridge Solar Park makes solar energy gathering more efficient by using multiple sensor-controlled dual-axis trackers, which focus continually on the brightest portions of the sky in all seasons and weather conditions.
This solar technology can produce as much as 40% or more electricity from the same amount of sunshine versus older generation solar power plants.
The Oak Ridge Heritage Center provides a special opportunity to non-invasively generate solar power on otherwise unusable land.
This project, I think, for us is particularly exciting. It allows us to bring together a lot of our strengths. Obviously, solar development is our primary strength, but it allows us to bring together the solar roof program from dena and the relationships that we've developed in the United States.
We have chosen this site because it's a very large industrial complex which was spawned out from the Manhattan Project. It's the ideal location to bring all these bridges together here, the German agency with the Department of Energy. The site itself was not of any better use than for a solar project.
The Oak Ridge project gives us the opportunity to bring solar to a previously unusable spot because of its contamination. The system that we're using from Dagger permits us to use a large concrete pad for the installation of the mast for the dual-axis tracker system. This design causes very little soil disruption, and so we are permitted to construct a system that generates green energy without causing any contamination or soil remediation issues. This project, I think, become a flagship project for us, and I think that it's one that people will look at for a long time as an example of the positive impact that green energy can have on the United States.
This is just the beginning of the next generation of solar power systems. Systems designed and built to harness the maximum amount of solar energy possible.
The project is not only about the 50 kW. It's about building bridges here through the United States and Germany, through the transatlantic climate bridge. It's about building bridges here between the German Energy Agency and the Department of Energy and Oak Ridge. It's about building bridges between research and technology.
I think it's been a particularly exciting project to see that many groups come together for the singular purpose of developing green energy at a formerly contaminated site.
Vis Solis brings together the best minds from around the globe to further technology and harness the immense potential of solar power by building the future of worldwide energy production. Vis Solis, the power of the sun.